Chandler J back with another episode of The Beard Journey. If you haven't already, guys, just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, gents, first and foremost, you know what? I'm not starting off that way. I was gonna give you a whole apology and things like that, but listen, man, I can almost guarantee you understand what it's like when you're working for a goal, or you know, you're putting your best foot forward to accomplish something that you've always wanted to achieve. So, gents, that's what I've been doing. I really haven't been slacking. I didn't fall off. I'm alive and well, and I'm prospering, gents. So I wanted to get that off. But I do apologize specifically because this is something that I love to do. And you know, if this was helping other people, then I apologize for the delay on that part. But as far as entertainment is concerned, gents, you know, that's not my priority. So listen, my priorities just had a slight rearrangement, and that's about it. Good news, I have a lot of good news. First and foremost, actually, I've already created my business channel that is alive and active. I have my first video up already, so go check that out. It's actually down in the featured section, either below, or you can swipe right a few times to the channels tab. Once you get to that, you'll see my business channel listed right there, so you can go and check that out, subscribe, like the video, and if you'd like. But it's highly recommended because there's gonna be so much great content coming from that video, gents. It's gonna be crazy. I really can't wait. I got a whole notebook here full of notes and things that I'm gonna put on that channel. You know, I marked the journey this entire way, you know, since the last time I recorded my video to now. In fact, the last video I posted, I was still taking my real estate. Wow. Yeah, that's crazy. It all just hit me, actually. The last time I recorded a video, I was still taking my real estate courses. And at that point, I haven't even moved forward with the notary side of things, man. Gents, I've made a lot of progress. So there's that. That's what I've been doing, gents. I wanted to give you that update. There is a beard update in this video. To be 100% honest with you, I haven't been very consistent with either the beard oil that I created, and also I haven't been very consistent with any beard products for that matter. But I believe I showed you guys in one of my previous videos what the beard oil looked like. And it smelled great, feels great on the skin still to this day, but like I said, I just haven't been using it. I have a treat for you guys, and it's actually the reason I'm here today. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing for Shea Moisture. I hope you guys can see it, and I hope the flash isn't blurring or blocking anything out, but finally got it. I finally got Shea Moisture, gents. Finally. I've really been wanting this stuff for a long time. Maracuja oil and shea butter. You guys already know I was using shea butter before, so that's not alien to my skin. But yeah, gents, so this entire kit, I'm gonna tell you what's in here, and then I'm gonna transition to a different recording style. So let's see, it has the maracuja oil and shea butter beard balm. It also has the beard conditioning oil, the shea butter beard wash, and the shea butter full beard detangler, which, oh man, I've heard so much about Shea Moisture. I really cannot wait. I really can't. All right, so that's why I'm here. You know, aside from apologizing and actually doing this, because this is what I love to do, and I'm actually excited. I'm excited to open up this. I'm excited to be back. I'm excited that people actually wanted an update. Gents, that is so amazing to me. And actually, I need to tell you, the hair on my face right now is about, I'd say a little over 3 months without trimming my beard at all. And I mean, literally, I haven't trimmed it at all. You can even see my mustache hairs growing onto my lips, and in fact, I have clipped that a little bit because I don't like that. It's very annoying, and it looks sloppy, gents. Like, I couldn't do it. Even this looks bad, as opposed to the way I was cutting it before. But yeah, I couldn't do it over my lips, gents. Quick water break, real quick. Gotta stay hydrated. 3 times for the 3 time. Anyways, so yeah, gents, there's that. I appreciate you guys. I thank you for staying connected with the comments. Oh, there's gonna be a bonus at the end of this video, so stay tuned. I actually mentioned that bonus. I actually mentioned that bonus in one of my previous videos. So check it out. Yep, it'll be at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Gents, you know what's crazy? I didn't realize I was recording in portrait mode instead of landscape until the very end of that unboxing. So that is my fault. But the quality of the video and the unboxing itself is, I wouldn't say it's too bad. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Be nice, please. Talk to me nice. All right, gents. So the goal here, you've already seen the unboxing. So now I'm just gonna open everything up and tell you how it smells and you know what the texture is like and things like that. So full beard detangler, that's what I'm going for now. Yes sir. Let me check this out real quick. Is it already open? Let me open it all the way up. Nah, it has a little foil on here. Figured. Only the best from Shea Moisture, right? And again, this is the beard detangler. I'm just taking off this little aluminum thing. Wow. Oh my God. Bro, this stuff smells amazing. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. It's like a oh my goodness, what is that like? It's like a cocoa butter type of smell. Man, that smells really good. Okay. Nice, and this is the detangler. Let me see how it feels. It's not too bad. It's not super oily. Oh my goodness. So it smells different when it's on your skin. I'm still getting that cocoa butter smell, but on the texture, it definitely, yeah, it doesn't stay oily for very long, gents. It's pretty much all gone off of my fingers. And it's, oh my goodness, I love the way that smells. Okay, so moving on. Next we have the beard balm. And of course, Shea Moisture has put a seal on here. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that. Yikes. And it's a bit rock solid in there, but I mean the beard balm, from what I understand, is used to hold the structure of your beard. So this smells exactly like shea butter. Shea butter with a little cocoa butter type of smell in there. Yeah, I'm assuming that's what the maracuja is. But it smells just like cocoa butter to me. Pretty good, I mean, not too bad. So that's the beard balm. Then we're gonna move forward with the beard wash. Got the beard wash here. Don't mind the background. There's a bathroom behind me, so you're gonna see one of my brothers going in and out. All right, let's get this opened. This beard wash. And again, Shea Moisture has that aluminum seal on there, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop the top on that. Yikes. Yeah, you guys just saw. My goodness, this stuff smells so good. Again, with this one, it's not so much cocoa butter. I don't even really smell the shea butter. This one has more of a sweet smell. It smells very, very sweet compared to the other ones. So yeah, this one smells really good, and this is the beard wash. And last but not least, We're gonna have the beard conditioning oil. This is the one that I'm probably gonna use daily and give you guys updates. Pretty sure you have to shake it just to get those things at the bottom going. It's kind of see-through, but not really. It's more of it's just barely translucent. But so I'm gonna pop the top on this one. Oh, and this one actually does not have any like aluminum cover or anything like that. So with this one, the beard conditioning oil, I'm honestly just going to open it up. This one smells a lot like the beard wash or like the shampoo. Again, very sweet, but not too sweet to the point where it's like, yo, are you wearing women's perfume? You know what I'm saying? Like it's not that deep. So yeah, man, this isn't bad. I think I'm gonna enjoy these products. Yeah, 3 years went by quicker than expected. Man, I started in a dorm. The very thought is crazy when reflected. Over 100 subs was never projected. God's blessed me with all I've requested. Time, effort, and money invested. I flourished on the other side of the forest. I'm home now, but I feel like a tourist. So close that I smell the Forbes list. Dreams of mansions, yachts, and even the Lambo Urus. Off success, I'm drunk. It's more potent than rum. I'm on a mission, and I'ma get it done. You win some, you lose some. My bearded brother, we've already won. Damn, it's hard to accept it. The beard journey got neglected, yet the comments kept us connected. Hit me up there when your schedules are clear. Like and share if you think that it's fair, that I put my goals over my hair. No chain, I don't know where it went. YouTube is great entertainment. Priorities just had a slight rearrangement. I'm back now with content top tier. Got it all planned out for the rest of the year. Off success, I'm drunk. It's more potent than rum. I'm on a mission, and I'ma get it done. You win some, you lose some. My bearded brother, we've already won. Minoxidil, don't use it, they lied. Too many harsh side effects that they hide. Stick with me, you'll see, you don't need to prescribe. I thank you more than any words can possibly describe. On this journey, let me be your guide. It's just on you to subscribe. New channel on the way with the business vibe. It'll elevate the world on the brown skin side. If you can't tell, things about to get real. Stay updated, bro. Just hit that bell.